The task is to build an AI solution that can find defects such as bends, discolorations, and scratches on metal nuts and then classify them. We will be building a pipeline consisting of 2 distinct AI blocks to perform this task. Follow these steps to get started. Log into ReliUI and create a new session. We will start by creating a pipeline. Add the source image set, detector, and classifier blocks. The detector will be responsible for detecting the defects. The classifier will be fed with detection results and will decide on the defect type. Navigate to the gallery page and import the metal nuts images. Add components and states to begin the annotation process. Use the polygon tool to annotate the images by drawing straight lines to define the regions of interest, then select the defect type. Alternatively, you can import annotated dataset. Click on Import Annotated Dataset and choose the Label Me format. Select JSON files and click Open. Double-click the folder to review the imported annotations. Navigate to the training page and click Start. For the first model, choose Detection. Assign a model name. Load the default training parameters. Set the epoch value to 1000, and X and Y resolution values to 448 for this use case. Once the synchronization of data is complete, click Start Training. Monitor the training progress. As the model loss decreases, the map value will increase. Once training is finished, check the results on the Evaluation tab. Once done, navigate to the gallery page and extract the rectangle annotations and prepare data for classifier training. For this time, select Classification. Select the extracted dataset. Assign a model name. Load the default training parameters. Once the synchronization of data is complete, click Start Training. Monitor the training progress. Once it is done, go to the pipeline editor, select an input data source, and the trained detection and classification AI blocks. Run your pipeline using the Execute button at the top. The prediction list will display labels and precision values for each image on the right. Take full control. Own your data. Own your AI with ReliVision.